And we are back for another Conduit tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate equipment inside of Conduit. So in the last video, we connected our Duke Energy utility connection to the switchboard MS with 4 parallel runs of 500 MCM, all inside of 4-inch PVC. What we need to do now is we're going to connect switchboard MS to PB1, and then we're going to duplicate PB1 to show you how to create panels quickly. So here inside of the context menu in switchboard MS, you can hit connect. It's going to bring up a node. We're going to want to take this downstream, so we're going to add a breaker on the load side of the switchboard MS, and then we're going to connect that to the main breaker ingoing into panel PB1. It's going to draw a raceway. Again, we need to go in here and add a trip rating. We'll say it to 200 amp outgoing breaker from switchboard MS, and we'll also make this 200 amp incoming main breaker for panel PP1. And then this raceway is red because it's not been filled in. We're going to put our details into here. Let's say it's EMT. Let's say it's 2.5 inches. And what's good for 200 amps? I think like 4-aught is good for 200 amps. And we'll say that it's 50 feet long. Add a few more, so we've got 2.5 inch EMT, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-aughts. They're 50 feet long. We update that raceway, and you can see it's going to go ahead and label that raceway for us. Now, the next thing we want to do is we've filled in all the information about this. If you duplicate a piece of equipment inside of a switchboard or inside of a panel, it's going to also duplicate the upstream raceway as well as the breakers that are in the upstream equipment. So I'm going to hit the context menu on panel PP1, and I'm going to hit duplicate. It's going to take just a second, and it's going to duplicate panel PP1 and make a panel PP1 copy. And it's going to take the raceway type, size, and conductors along with the upstream breaker inside of switchboard MS and copy it. So this has all the details. So I'm going to tap on panel PP1 copy, go into edit details, and I can call this, say, PP2. Update that, and now we've got panel PP1 and PP2 connected to switchboard MS.